On shift, frustration moves fast. When someone misses a detail, pushes back, or underperforms, it's easy to label them. Lazy, negative, difficult, unmotivated. But the moment you label someone, you stop leading them. Labels close curiosity, and closed curiosity weakens leadership. In hospitality environments, especially during high-pressure shifts, supervisors often move quickly from observation to conclusion. The speed feels efficient. The label feels accurate. But across teams I've worked with, one pattern repeats. Supervisors who rely on labels create more friction over time, not less, because labels replace investigation with assumption. Strong leadership requires discipline, and discipline means resisting the urge to simplify people into categories when performance requires deeper understanding. When you label someone, you stop asking questions. You assume intention. You narrow your response options. You reduce development potential. A labeled employee becomes harder to coach, not because they can't grow, but because the supervisor has stopped exploring. Curiosity keeps leadership active. Labels shut it down. Friction on shift is rarely about personality. It is usually about unclear expectations, misaligned communication, confidence gaps, competing pressures. Curiosity uncovers these variables. And when supervisors lead with curiosity instead of labels, correction becomes more precise and less emotional. That reduces friction. In hospitality operations, friction increases turnover. Turnover destabilizes standards. Destabilized standards impact guest experience. Labeling accelerates friction. Curiosity stabilizes performance. Supervisors who lead without labels build teams that develop faster and remain steadier under pressure. That matters operationally. The next time you feel a label forming in your mind, pause. Replace it with a question. What am I missing? What pattern is forming? What conversation have I not yet had? Leadership is not about being right quickly. It's about being accurate consistently. On shift, discipline begins with curiosity, not conclusions.